RapidPipeline not only provides features that help optimize your model, but also offers features that help fix common issues your model might have upon being imported into your engine of choice. In our example, we have a car model that has multiple inverted faces. Let's enable the wireframe mode to better view them. Normally, you would have to reimport the model into a 3D modeling software and fix this issue. However, RapidPipeline for Unreal Engine helps to skip this step entirely. By selecting the Clean Up Mesh action, we can quickly fix this issue. Simply toggle the Fix Warning Order setting and hit Run. As you can see, all of the model spaces are now correctly oriented in just the click of a button. The Cleanup Mesh action also offers other features such as Recompute Mesh Null and Vertex merging, all of which help effectively correct any geometry issues a model might have upon being imported into Unreal Engine. Optimize your models fast, flexibly, and effortlessly with RapidPipeline for Unreal Engine. Try it for free or chat with our human team directly on our website.